shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, everybody. Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for May 1st. It is May. Sell in May and don't go away. Yeah, we can't go away. Stay home and trade, right? Yeah, so we are pulling back this morning on the SPY. Right now, you can see that we are below the 8 EMA right here. Yeah, that's bearish if we stay below there for a trend change. We had a pretty big sell level yesterday, 8 million. You know, we had nothing for quite a few days, really low, you know, dark pool late prints. But yesterday was the first day it kicked up. So 293.32, that's really key to watch. Yeah, as long as we stay below that, it's bearish. If we close above that in the next day, next week, then we turn bullish again in the short term. But that is really key right now to watch. Today, though, in the short term, though, bullish above 286.50 for a retracement trade for the possible gap fill. We have a little gap right here, so that's a possibility. Hard to do it though when you got to go through the 8 EMA and the 4 EMA. They're like two brick walls, but that would be the retracement. Bear below 284. You can see it's much easier, the gravitational pull, to go back down here. 282 is really where that VWAP is, and we have another gap fill here. See that? Which one do you think is going to get filled in first? This one? Upper or lower? What do you guys think? Just write it in the chat. Which gap fill? You got lower. Pinky says lower, lower, lower. Or if you're all saying lower, they're probably going to do the upper one first. Isn't that always the way the market is? Never does what we expect it to do. Now, just be prepared for both, okay? Be prepared. Always important. All right, let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 28.80. Yeah, it's all the way up here. Yep, we've broken below this trend line here. Let's see if we wick it or not. Yeah, are they going to pull it up and we'll have a wick there, or is we're going to have a body? If we have a body on the outside, yeah, that's not going to be good. Bear below 28.30 for the E-minis. Let's go to the Russell. The Russell will be bullish above 128 and bear below 126.25. Let's go to the Qs. Yeah, Qs are getting knocked today as well. We are sitting right on the doji. Yep, so this is really key. If we do start to move down, there's really not much below us until about this 211 area. Keep that in mind. So bear below 213.75, and that's why my last target was 211.25. Let's go to the Nasdaq futures. Bullish above 8,800 and bearish below 87.40 for the Nasdaq futures. Ooh, let's go to oil. Yeah, oil already popped. I did send out this alert earlier this morning. Yep, when we were down here. So bullish above 1920, and look where we went, right to that Camarilla pivot. Bam, hit it like resistance. So we've already hit all my targets, right? Yep, and see, this is why I put this Camarilla resistance right here. Very key. That was my last target. So really now we need to really break above. Now there's another trade if we go back above the Camarilla to about 2050. So I'd say 2020. If I had to do another trade. And you know, so many people ask me, what happens, Stephanie, if it hits all your targets before the market opens? Well, you map out another trade. And I teach you how to do this in boot camp. Bullish above 2020. Target's going to be 2037 and 2050. Oh, 54. R1. I like to get out just before it hits there. But that would be the next trade setup. And yep, let's go to the gold futures. Gold futures. All right, we're going to be bullish above 1687. And we're going to be bearish below 1680. For, actually, you know what? I got to tweak that slightly. 1679. Hold on a second. Yeah, this Camarilla right there. I like to be bearish below that. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. Put this back up here. We're going to start with American Airlines. Lots of volume in the airlines pre-market. That's why they've been on the whisper. So it's stuck. Yep, it's stuck, entangled between the 4 and the 8. And then we have like a 30 simple moving average in there as well. So when it gets unstuck, it should move. Bullish above 1206, bear below 1147. And we did start to go down below that level and hit... oh, look at that. Hit S1, 1128. See the low of the day? 1128. Check this out. Because these pivots are so phenomenal. Yeah. Went right there. Went right to this Camarilla. This solid line pivot, 1120, and held for now. If we go below 1125, that's your next entry, by the way, into AAL, okay? 1125. So let's go to the next one. AMD. Yep. Big gap down. Yeah, close week after earnings. Yep. Not looking great. Today, though, bullish above 51.25. That's going to be a retracement trade. Retracement is going against the trend. And that would be our retracement, or even to 52, this gap fill. Or it's going to break below 50, and here's our trade setup. All right, so picking 50, if it goes down to 50, it should bounce. That's a major level. That second test is what I would look at for entry. Let's go to Apple. Yep, Apple had earnings, and it looks like they don't like it. Yeah, down 2.8%. Stuck, though. See where it's stuck? Right in between the 4 and the 8. So that's why I'm bullish above there, 287.50, and bear below 284 for Apple. We went down there this morning and bounced off. UAL, another one with high volume this morning. And we're going to be bullish above 30. All right, that's a pretty big level if we do take off. And we're going to be bearish below 27.50. Yeah, you can see we came down there and bounced at 8 o'clock. Wow, look at that. Yeah, those levels are powerful. $2.50 increments. Extremely powerful. So Microsoft's our next one. Also stuck in between the 4 and the 8. Are you guys seeing the pattern today? We're stuck. There could be an algo battle until we'll see who wins, right? The guy selling at 4 EMA or the guy buying at the 8 EMA. Yeah, one of those guys are going to win. Microsoft, bullish above 176.25 and bear below 173.75. Tesla, fantastic short yesterday. Hope you guys got this one. Holy cow, that retracement trade was beautiful. Today, bullish above 775, bear below 737.50 for Tesla. Let's go to Boeing. Boeing, bullish above 142.50, and we've already gone above that. Bear below 137. So for those of you that don't have the app, if you are watching this video after the market, I do post it out for people to see how they performed. I send out all of these whispers individually in the morning so that traders can jump on these trades if they do move before I actually get the video out. It takes me a couple hours to do it in the morning. Yeah, so you get them out individually. Bear below 137 on Boeing. Delta, bullish above 25 today. Again, stuck in the middle. Yep. the 4 and the 8. Bullish above 25. Bear below 24.50 for Delta. Let's go to Ford. No, you can't buy options pre-market, Gerald, but you can trade the stock. Yeah, in fact, when I'm in option trades, Daryl, and they gap up big or gap down, and I can't take my profit because the options aren't open, I can actually trade the stock. Yep. And I will teach you how to do that in boot camp. All right, Ford. Bullish above 520 and bear below 487 for Ford. This is more of a swing trade. Yeah, it moves really slow, but this is really key moment. Yeah, if we do break above that 520 and then bear below 487. We've had some pretty big prints in there. I've posted them here. So let's see which side it wants to stay on. Amazon. Bull above 24.06 and bear below 23.25. Yeah, not liking the earnings, Amazon, but we'll see how we close today. Yeah, we have this channel going all the way back. Here we go. Some channel trend lines for you that I've drawn. So we'll see if we stay in here or not. If we were to break below here, that would turn bearish. All right, from here, that's our really big swing. We might go down and hit this trend line and bounce, but then if we go below it, that's going to be uber bearish. So I would watch for that. And Chevron. Chevron had earnings also this morning. And yeah, they're down, but not so bad considering the state that oil's in. So CVX bullish above 93.50. Bear below 89.50. Let's just trade those levels. No thinking. Until next time, happy trading, everybody, and have a great weekend.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.